Congratulations mga anak. Reason, welcome to our family. You are now part of the family. We wish you both happiness and good health. Trust one another, respect, and always pray together before going to bed.
Reason, tanggap ka namin bilang anak na lalaki. Yung anak namin, Josephine, mahalin mo, huwag mo pababayaan.
Ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, Reason, mahalin na mahalin mo ang anak ko. Mahal kong sobra si Josephine. Yun lang ang tatandaan mo, Reason. Mahal ko kayong dalawa. God bless you both.